which the regular sari that you and I wear, but it has been made into 3/4 size. It's a regular sari which is folded and we have made her wear it. The blouse is our regular blouse which has been altered to her size. Okay. So the moms will have to do some stitching work. Sir, the other door please. The other door please. Thank you. And now this is not the jewelry that she should be wearing. This is very simple. It needs to be a little more South Indianish. This is very North Indianish.
Okay.
Something which is like, they will understand, which are usual South Indian thing. Okay? Now this has to be pulled a little more to come here. No tika, no nothing.
Okay.
The bindi like this and a white bindi like this.
Okay.
Okay.
And 3 dots here, 3 dots here, 3. She's already put the 3 dots down.
Okay.
Right, okay.
But it has to come here too.
Okay. Kajal dots.
Yeah. The bangles, lots of this like this.
Okay.
And the hand should be done with the marker.
Marker.
Take a red marker
Okay.
or what is it called? Red
Sharpie.
Sharpie.
Okay.
Make a round here.
Okay.
Make all this here.
Okay.
Make a round here.
Okay.
Again make a round here. All this here and round here.
Okay.
Make an entire line of Sharpie. So it sees here.
Okay.
Stop talking, Harshit, please. So all this here
Okay.
and a big goal here.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Just a line you are saying?
Just a line. Line.
Okay, just
Border the leg and a goal.
horizontal. Okay.
Okay? So this is the jewelry. Now what happens to the second dance? I will show you with I'm going to give you all the dupatta on that day. We are waiting for a similar color. So say, I'm probably going to give them either a red or something like that.
Okay.
And it's going to be tied like this.
Yeah, she has.
It's okay. Now, this is the way the dupatta will be tied. What I did is, I'm going to, the way we wear a sari, okay? Just open it up a little. Put a pin here and here. Don't do too much because remember we have to remove it.
Okay.
So it's just a simple pin here. This is our first dance.
Okay.
So this sari will be more or less long. If you make the pleat a little smaller,
Okay.
it looks nicer. ऐसे. ठीक है? And then, so they quickly remove this dupatta of this off, and this is for the second dance.
Okay.
So I'm going to give all of them a similar dupatta. I was hoping to see the saris today to get a dupatta which suits everybody. Like if I get a blue and you come with this combination, it doesn't look good. So I was hoping to see the saris. So if your parents can send me the color of the saris, I can get a dupatta which matches it. Or you can do one thing like this. I could have Shruti's mother give her an orange or green. So say if you are having a sari like that, one of the color which goes with the border. So that way, it can suit the sari.
Do you want double color or do you want single color?
Single color. And basically just
No,
A.
I am talking about the sari.
Sari has to be having a plain and a border.
But different color?
Two
or
colors.
Two colors.
Yeah, this is how is the dupatta. You saw me. I didn't do anything. Just join these two.
So tie a knot?
Tie a knot here. That's it.
Okay.
And this will be
Enough.
That's it. So quickly the mother who's taking care will have to just remove one pin, two pin,
Okay.
slip it out, get ready.
Okay.
Okay? So this is how you all are ready.
Okay.
You started the recording late, so don't bother. Uncle will